Hello, welcome to Hawk Math. Today we're going to be trying to solve the following summation. 1 over 2 factorial plus 2 over 3 factorial plus 3 over 4 factorial plus 4 over 5 factorial plus 5 over 6 factorial and so on infinitely. Now, when I first see this problem, my immediate thought is the Taylor series for e to the x. Because we know that e to the x is equal to the summation from n equals 0 to infinity of x to the n over n factorial. So if we were to plug in 1 to this, we get that e is equal to the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of 1 over n factorial. Now, the only difference is that here we have something in the numerator, except it's 1 less than the denominator. So how can we get that? Well, I'm going to try first rewriting this as a summation. We know this is equal to the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of n over n plus 1 factorial. So how can we rewrite this, n over n plus 1 factorial? Well, I think of partial fraction decomposition because maybe we can rewrite this as two different fractions added or subtracted. But when you write that out, it's kind of hard to do, so I'm just going to try to guess and check. Let's see what happens if we take 1 over n factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. And if this doesn't work, we can guess around this and see what happens. So to multiply these together, we multiply this by n plus 1 over n plus 1. And we are left with n plus 1 over n plus 1 factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. And we combine these, those cancel, just giving us n over n plus 1 factorial. Well, that happened to be exactly what we want to find the summation of. That's pretty convenient. So now all we need to do is just rewrite this. So we have the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of 1 over n factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. And writing this out, this is equal to the same thing as 1 over 1 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over 3 factorial, and so on. Minus, we have a 1 over 2 factorial minus a 1 over 3 factorial minus a 1 over 4 factorial, and so on. And if you notice, that will cancel with this will cancel with that, and so on infinitely. And the only thing we're left with is just this 1 over 1 factorial on the front, which is equal to 1. So we finish it. This summation is equal to 1. And the way we got here is we just realized its similarity to the Taylor series for e to the x, and we did some experimentation to rewrite this in a way that was easily able to calculate. So we rewrote it into a telescoping series. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more.